My name is Nick Hartman with Pacific Sotheby's, and I'm here to show you 214 Avenida, Montalvo. Located in the highly sought-after haven of southwest San Clemente, this modern craftsman-style townhome was built from the ground up in 2016. Four-bedroom, four-bath unit features over 2,800 square feet of living space. The kitchen is state-of-the-art with stainless steel Samsung appliances, black quartz countertops, and ample storage space. Experience secluded coastal living at its finest. Spacious master suite has ample closet space, viewing deck, and dual vanity bathroom with jacuzzi tub and rain shower. Set on over half an acre with park-like canyon views and a quick walk down to the beach. Take advantage of this unique opportunity to own your own dream home in southwest San Clemente today. And please call me anytime to set up a private showing. Thanks.